Hi, my name is Sharam from Bright Side Effects, and today we're gonna review the Flycam 6000 Pro with the vest and the Magic Arm 6000. Before that, I just wanted to quickly compare this model to the other two models, Flycam 3000 and Flycam 5000 Pros. Wanted to tell you what the differences are and basically what are the advantages that this model has over the other models. Basically, this model comes with a stand, it comes with a proper vest, and also it comes with a double joint arm, which can support up to 50 pounds of weight on top of it. So it's pretty good, pretty professional, and you can use it. In this model, you've got this ability to kind of change the center of gravity here, and it'll make it easier for you to kind of vertically balance the camera. And also the top plate has two knobs that you can basically kind of bring the camera forward. As you can see, if you turn it, the camera is going to go forward, or if you turn this one, the camera is going to go left or right. So this is much easier to balance the camera horizontally if you without even changing the top plate. You just basically balance the camera right away on the stand. So I'm gonna explain it to you quickly how you can basically balance the camera and what it means exactly about vertically balance it up or horizontally balance it. When you put the camera on top, first of all, you put the cam on the stand so you can balance it up without putting a lot of pressure on your hand, and then you want to know if it is balanced and if it's ready to use. First of all, you need to put the same amount of weight on the bottom as the camera. For example, if this camera is around 2.5 kilograms, you're gonna put the same amount of weights in the bottom, and then you want to know if the camera is vertically balanced. So that means that when you're moving with the camera is not gonna move. It's not gonna, like when you run or when you move about, when you go up the stairs, the camera isn't gonna shake. That's called vertically balanced. So to find out if the camera is vertically balanced, you need to hold the camera in this position and then release the camera, and it should take around 1.5 to 2 seconds. This was pretty fast, so the camera will probably move a little bit while you're kind of moving with the camera. So you want to vertically balance that, and you're gonna use one of the Allen keys which are provided, my own tools and stuff, but all the Allen keys are provided, so it shouldn't be a problem for you to kind of set it up. So basically we want to vertically balance the camera. So that means that again, as I showed you before, it should take around 1.5 seconds to 2 seconds till it comes back to the original position. It takes slightly faster, so that shows the bottom is a little bit heavier. So we want to change that. We're gonna bring the camera in this position. We're gonna loosen the, and bear in mind that there is a screw over here that you need to kind of unscrew it a little bit. So this bed can move easily to back or forward. Let me actually. Now you want to bring it down a little bit more, so the camera is gonna be slightly heavier on the bottom, but it's gonna take almost 2 seconds till it gets back to the original position. Right now that's not really what we want, so we want to bring it a little bit more to the top, so it would take faster till it goes down. We try it once more. That was like 2.5 seconds, so just gonna make it a little bit go forward to the top again. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty good. That was pretty good. So I'm happy with it. I'm just gonna make it kind of tight here. And then use the again, I'm using my own tools, but you're provided with the Allen keys. So okay, we test the camera once more to see if it's gonna take 2 seconds to come back to the original position. 1 and 2. That's pretty good. So that shows that the camera is vertically balanced. So which means that if I hold the camera and if I move, the camera wouldn't move that much. You know, you see, camera is like it wouldn't shake or anything when I do movements. But the camera isn't horizontally balanced, which means that if I hold it straight, the camera would, you know, go point to different direction. So we want to horizontally balance the camera as well. You're gonna put it back on the stand, and as I explained it to you before, you're provided with 2 knobs, you know, which is the advantage of this model compared to the other 2 models, because in the 2 other models you have to unscrew it and, you know, kind of play with the plate yourself, but in this one you just play with the knobs and it's gonna be much easier, much faster to kind of balance it up. If you come and have a look at this plate kind of closely, you can see that you know, if I move this knob, you know, the camera goes forward, or if I turn it the other way, it's going to come backward. So we want to leave the camera here for a couple of seconds and see if the camera is kind of going, you know, to the front or going to the back. To me, it's pretty good right now, but I think the camera is going to lean to the right, so we're gonna, you know, use the other knob to bring the camera to the middle. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty much balanced. It's not leaning to right or left that much. You can still bounce a little bit more to get the best results. Almost perfect. So the camera is vertically and horizontally balanced. All you need to do is to just put it on the arm, connect it to your vest, and it's ready to use. So it would take almost 2 seconds to come back from the original position to the from this position to original position, which shows that the camera is vertically balanced. 1, 2, and also the vertical balance, you know, is for when you are moving, the camera is not going to move about. And then, as you can see, the camera, if you look at it from that side, is sorry. It's actually leaning a little bit forward. I just you see, it's perfect. Like if you go at the front, you can possibly see that the camera is, you know, it's horizontally balanced, which means that it's not leaning forward or backward, left or right or left. So you know, when you move, you know, the footage is gonna be straight. So it's ready. We just need to put the vest on, and you're ready to basically put the steady cam, the fly cam on the